Welcome. In this video we're going to solve in a triangle with this information. Angle C is 65, side B is 8, and side A is 5. And when you sketch the triangle, you realize that you have two sides and an angle. This is a side angle side. Right over here, side angle side. Another way of knowing that it's side angle side is because you were given two sides, but they don't correspond to that angle. So they're not side C. That's another way of knowing that it's side angle side. And when it's side angle side, we have to do the law of cosines. When you have SAS, the first thing you have to solve for is for the missing side. It's actually the only information that you have. So you have to solve for the missing side. So this is side C. And of course, we were going to use this one then. Another way of knowing this is because we have angle C. So we can use this equation to solve for the missing side. Alright, so the first thing you do is you write down the equation and then you fill in the information. And A is 5, B is 8, angle C is 65. So this becomes 5 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 5 times 8, cosine of 65. So then C squared is 25, 64. Sorry, I had to type that into the calculator. 80 cosine 65. And actually from here you could have all typed it in straight into the calculator. And you would have gotten that C squared is around 55.19. And you have to take the square root of both sides. And you get that C is equal to, well, approximately equal to 7.14 or 7.2. Sorry, 7.1. Alright, so this missing side right here is 7.1. Once you have all three sides, it's okay to go ahead and now use the law of sines. Now this is different than SSS. Remember that in SSS we said for the first two angles that we were going to use the law of cosines. But for SAS, you can use the law of cosines for the first one, but then you can switch to the law of sines. So we're going to go ahead and switch to the law of sines for the second angle, and you can pick to solve for angle B or angle A. So the sine of B over 8 equals the sine of 65 over 7.1. I'm going to cross multiply. 7.1 sine B and we're going to divide by 7.1. And since we're looking for B, we have to do inverse sine. Oh, that does not look like a 7.1. There we go. So then you're going to type this into the calculator and you're going to get around 77. Okay? And now, since you know B is 77, now you have two angles. You can go ahead and subtract it from 180. So 180 minus 77 minus 65 gives you 38, or about 38 degrees. Oh, did I just do this wrong? Nope, that's right. Plus 30 is 100. 30, 40, yeah, that's 180. There we go. Alright, so as a recap, when you have SAS, the first thing you do is use the angle that was given to you to solve for the missing side. Then go ahead and switch over to the law of sines to find another angle. And once you have that second angle, take it away from 180, both inside angles from 180 to find the remaining angle.